Our first speaker is Sarasota County Commissioner Michael Moran, who's going to give us some opening remarks. A little background on our commissioner. He was elected to the Sarasota County Commission in 2016 and subsequently re-elected in 2020. He serves as the vice chair for 2019 and as chair for 2020. He recognizes that protecting Sarasota's gorgeous environmental landscape and developing the business community requires a healthy balance that is critical for the long-term success of our community. So please, let's welcome Commissioner Michael Moran.
Well, apparently the Wi-Fi password is equivalent to the Powerball last night. So thank you, Drew. Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here this morning and welcome you to the 17th Annual Sustainable Communities Workshop. Before we start today, I'd like to take a moment and reflect on Hurricane Ian and the long road to recovery many are still facing. Our neighbors to the south, especially those in Lee County, are among those most impacted by the storm. The day-to-day challenges they face are incredible, but their efforts to rebuild should also serve as an inspiration to us all. Because being here together today to focus on something as positive and important as sustainable living is a blessing. This is an opportunity to take stock of our fortunes, to learn important lessons, and to keep those folks in our thoughts and prayers. The theme of this year's workshop is Advancing Climate Solutions. This theme was chosen to explore our community's progress on climate action and resilience, to strengthen existing efforts and momentum, and to discuss new opportunities and innovations. Today's speakers will share examples and best practices preparing for disasters, adaptation, agriculture, energy efficiency, local projects, ways to get involved, and much more. Sarasota County is no different. We lead by example when it comes to sustainability. Some of our efforts include investing hundreds of millions of dollars in water quality projects such as advanced wastewater treatment and stormwater improvements. This is a huge accomplishment and advancement for our community. Protecting over 35,000 acres of land by purchasing it through the Sarasota County's Environmentally Sensitive Lands Protection Program. Developing programs and projects focused on helping low-income households save money through energy efficiency upgrades. Integrating energy efficiency, green building technologies, and solar installations into our county facilities. This saves energy, water, and reduces costs. Investing in fuel-saving technologies, including adding plug-in electric cars and installing electric vehicle charging stations. Joining the Tampa Bay Regional Resiliency Coalition, a collaborative effort to address extreme weather and climate risks. And lastly, partnering with special purpose districts to offer our residents financing to hurricane harden their homes and or make them more energy efficient. Still, we know the work is not complete. Hurricane Ian has reminded us all of how a community needs to stay educated and involved. As I've said at the start, those hit hardest by the storm are an inspiration because they're rebuilding, adapting, and will likely pass those lessons along to future generations. While it was incredibly damaging, the storm has showcased the best among us, the best in each of us. It also has shown how important it is that we take steps to fight current and future climate risks in our community. We hope you can move that effort forward today in this workshop. We encourage you to use these examples to spark conversation and action across the community. So let this workshop serve as a place where we build a united community to ensure a better world. Thank you to all the partners involved in organizing this workshop, and thanks to each of you for your dedication and leadership on this issue. Thank you for having me here today.